Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. If you do any water-fed pole window cleaning, I'm sure you're familiar with this brush. This is probably the top selling water-fed brush in North America. It's the Tucker Hybrid. They call this a standard. Sometimes, depending on the website, the literature might say 12-inch. Technically speaking though, this is really a 10-inch brush. Might get to 12-inch if you really splay the bristles out. But anyway, yeah, like I said, this is what's considered to be the leading selling brush in North America. Well, I want to show you something here. It's new for 2023. I've got the Hydrosphere Hybrid brush. It's 14-inch, 4-jetted, 14-inch brush. So besides being much larger, and this is a true 14-inch, it's not 14-inch if you splay it. It's actually 14-inch if you measure the block. It's actually almost 16 inches if you measure tip of the bristle to tip of the bristle. You can see compared to the so-called leading brush, that you get a whole lot more boar's hair in the middle as well. There's not this big gaps around here. So you get a lot more bang for your buck. And speaking about bang for your buck, I'm happy to announce that we're pricing these out to be matching or a little bit less than what's considered to be the standard size. You get a 14-inch hybrid. So come check us out at thewindowcleaningstore.com. Thanks for watching.